This is where the football journey begins. 3 cities, 600 children, and one dream: to develop the next generation of Saudi talent and promote healthy and active living. To achieve this goal, the ShoeHub Community Program used integrated sport technology to generate performance baseline data. Using these results, our expert coaches delivered bespoke training with the aim of developing well-rounded young footballers, giving them the best chance to excel in their sport. The result?
أنا مرة انبسطت اليوم. أكثر فقرة حبيتها فقرة المباراة.
كثير وراح أرجع مرة ثانية.
The journey begins here, 2022 and beyond.